Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Oluwatunseyi here. Today is another mixed spice video, and as you must have already seen from the title, we are going to make the suya spice. Now to the ingredients that make this suya spice stand out. Granules or peanuts, and if you have kuli groundnut cake or peanut powder, you can use it. During the course of this video, I will tell you how I transformed these raw peanuts to roasted peanuts. Since I don't have kuli, I will show you what I'll do to these granules to achieve that perfect suya spice. So keep watching, don't go away. We also have cloves, uda, that's negro pepper or grains of celery, onions, garlic, ginger, calabash nutmeg, black peppercorn, pepper. You use according to your preference or tolerance for chilies, anise, turmeric, salt. Firstly, we will grind the ingredients or seeds that are in their whole form. The ehuru, that's calabash nutmeg, black peppercorns, ginger, onions, uda, cloves, anise. Here is it after grinding. Using the same blender cup, pour in the granules. Go ahead and blend. I roasted the raw peanuts in an air fryer. I tell you, there is no suya spice without granules or groundnut powder or kuli. Do not blend for too long as it may start to bring out its natural oil. Look at this. The nuts have been crushed and smooth enough to use. The next thing is to pour onto a kitchen paper towel. And then wrap up with an additional wrapping with a cheesecloth. Then start to squeeze tightly so that the oils can be extracted from the granules. Once all of that is done to your satisfaction, you pour in a lined tray and place in an oven. If you look at the kitchen paper towel and the cheesecloth very closely, you will notice oil on them. Since I used the air fryer initially to roast the granules, I'll simply continue with the use of the air fryer instead of using the oven, and at this time I will set it to the bake function for 15 minutes. When all of that is done, I'll simply add the remaining spices that are already in their powdered form. The garlic, the turmeric, the salt to the already blended spices. And after that, I'll add the peanut powder and blend together to combine uniformly. We have a total of 3 cups of the soya spice mix. We have 2 options here. To make the final color look golden, that's where the use of the turmeric comes in. Or you make it have a bright look with a touch of red, That's what the use of the paprika gives you. So you can skip the turmeric and add paprika. Once it has cooled, you store in a jar or container that is already airtight and keep in a cool, dry place away from heat and moisture. You can use it for your suya, for your grills, your barbecue, your kebab, stews, soups. You can also use it as spice rub. And of course, you can use it to boil your meat, chicken or fish. Use moderately. Here is how I get it look bright with some touch of red color. I simply add some paprika powder 1/8 cup to the already blended suya spice 1/2 cup. This can be added from the beginning too. If you want to know how to make paprika powder, check the link to the video I made on homemade paprika powder in the description below. Kindly check it out. Blend together to combine properly, and look at what we have. You can sieve it and grind any residue further if you do not like this texture. Since this is homemade, you can determine how you want the color and texture of your suya spice to look. Also, because this is homemade, you can control the amounts of salt and chilies that go into your suya spice. And when adding it to any of your recipes, always remember that the suya spice contains salt and chilies. That's pepper. Also, there is this spice that some people like to add. That's kajiji. You may try it, but I have not used it before. Please kindly describe in the comments below how your suya spice tastes when you add the kajiji spice, if you have tried it before. Thanks. If you find any value in any part of this video, give it a thumbs up, share to friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. And if you have already, thanks so much. I see your subscriptions. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.